Elvis Presley's ex-wife Priscilla Presley, his daughter Lisa Marie Presley, and his granddaughter Riley Keough united for the latest Elvis film premiere. The three-generation trio appeared at the Graceland premiere of Baz Luhrmann's highly anticipated movie in Memphis, Tennessee on Saturday, June 11. Riley, 33, Lisa Marie, 54, and Priscilla, 77, all wore coordinating dark black outfits for their very rare joint red carpet appearance. Riley, who was born over a decade after Elvis died, stunned in a black suit jacket and black see-through stockings at the event. She also rocked a pair of black heels. Lisa Marie looked equally gorgeous in a black suit jacket and black pants. Last but not least, Priscilla celebrated the film about her late partner dressed in a black dress and black heels. Austin Butler, who plays Elvis, and Tom Hanks, who plays Colonel Tom Parker, were also at the premiere and joined Priscilla, Lisa Marie and Riley for an epic red carpet photo. Riley shared a photo of the three family members to Instagram and gushed over the film, which has received rave reviews and early screenings. "We're so thrilled to be in Memphis with that Elvis movie and with all of the wonderful performers," at Austin Butler at Olivia_DeJong at Kelverger and Tom Hanks have all done outstanding work, Riley wrote. "Thank you to Baz Luhrmann for bringing the film to Graceland. It's been such a special weekend, I couldn't think of a better place to premiere Elvis in America." Elvis first premiered at Cannes Film Festival on May 25 ahead of its June 24 release date. The film tells the story of Elvis' life and the incredible successful career in the music industry that led him to being labeled the king of rock and roll. Priscilla publicly raved about the film after the screening and called it spectacular. She also applauded Austin's performance and said he channeled and embodied my father's heart and soul beautifully.